Is that what's causing the damage in MS? And this gives us proof of principle that maybe it does, because it hurts the nervous system in a way that looks similar to the damage in MS. Does that make sense?
Showing the red channel then.
Okay.
And then if you look one over, we can stain it with different colors to look at different cell types.
Let's see, where did it go? Oh, there it is. So here we're still on green here, and then I'll flip you over to red just so you know where you are. So you're still right on that lesion, right? You go to red, and that's inside that lesion. You see all that red.
Yeah.
Those are cells called macrophages. So those are cells that in an MS lesion and MS damage, these immune cells come into the brain and basically start chomping up debris. They do something called phagocytosis of debris. Let's go to a closer. Here, I'll get you. Is that still in focus?
Yeah.
You can adjust this fine focus knob if you want right here if it's not in focus.
Oh, that's fine.
So all those cells are inside that lesion, basically eating debris, and that serves a really important function in damaged tissue, right? If you anything from a cut or a bruise or whatever, if you don't have some cleanup of that toxic material, it's just going to make matters worse.
Right.
So they may be there for a good reason, or they might be part of the problem. You know, it's not entirely clear. So the good news for us is that's one thing. When you look at an MS lesion, a lesion in the brain of an MS patient, those cells are there in spades too. And so everything that we seem to test with these antibodies looks a lot like an MS lesion. In other words, what I'm hoping is that Greg isolated maybe one of the factors or the factor that causes MS, or that's at the start of the disease.
Wow.
Yep. Yeah, it's a really cool mouse.
It's pretty cool, isn't it?
And then you want to get in real close and look at those oligodendrocytes. I'll get you into 20x. I don't know, is it still in focus?
That's out of focus a bit.
Yeah. So just do it. Yeah, you can find your focus there.
Bam. There we go. Wow. That's nuts, man. I'm trying to get both my eyes to work in.
Yeah, I know it's hard on these scopes.
Yeah, you can. So if you move them out and in, Kevin's eyes are wider in the morning. So
yeah, you can
physically
adjust
do
those
that yourself.
Yeah, however you need it.
But
Yeah, there we go. Wow, that's amazing.
Yeah, so that's part of